Welcome to Faith Renewed Wealth Group, LLC. At Faith Renewed Wealth Group, LLC is a financial planning firm based in Carrollton, Texas, dedicated to helping individuals and families achieve lasting financial security. We specialize in offering a wide range of financial solutions, including life insurance, retirement planning, wealth protection, and more, all designed to align with your unique needs and aspirations. Our approach is rooted in a commitment to integrity, transparency, and a genuine desire to make a positive impact on your financial future. At Faith Renewed Wealth Group, we believe that financial planning isn't just about numbers. It's about protecting what matters most: your loved ones, your legacy, and your peace of mind.